Hello everyone, welcome to BILLMAN Software. In this video, we are going to see how to create and import parties in BILLMAN Software. On the dashboard, click the Parties option. Here click Add Party. Enter the name and mobile number. Then select the party type and click Save Party. For bulk entries, click Import. Now click Download Template and save the file. Open the downloaded Excel file and enter the party details. Then go back to BILLMAN, click Browse File. Select the edited Excel file and click Open. Now check the status and click Import. Once the import is completed, you can see the added parties like customers and suppliers. Next, click Bulk Edit. Select the party type. Then select the parties you want to edit. Here I am changing the credit days and credit limit. Then click Apply. To check the changes, click the supplier and verify the updated details. Then click Back. Now click Export to export the party's data. Choose the file format, select the columns, and choose which parties you want to export. Then click Download and save the file. That's it. Thanks for watching.